Hello, welcome back after your Christmas holidays, um, and welcome back to the music. For this primary 567 task, we're going to spend the next 3 weeks learning how to use online composition tools to create music. This first week, what I'd like you to do is that you're going to go to this website, Chrome Music Lab, which you can find at musiclab.chromeexperiments.com. It's part of the Google education package. When you get to this site, you'll notice that there's many different um, little apps to use. So you've got Shared Piano, Songmaker, Rhythm, Spectrogram, Soundwaves, Arpeggios, Kadinsky, Voice Spinner. They're all a lot of fun to use. So if you've got a bit of time or you want to do something creative, this is a great little site to come and mess around with. My favourites are Kadinsky, where you draw pictures and create pieces that respond to what you've drawn. Songmaker, which allows you to add rhythm and music together, and also Rhythm. It is Rhythm that we're going to use today. So when you get to the Music Lab experiments page, you're going to go to Rhythm, and then you're going to click on this arrow and it will take you to the Rhythm page. Now, you'll notice that we have these arrows here. This arrow will take us between the different parts. In each of these experiments, they're either 3, 4, or 5 beats long. So this first one with the 2 monkeys with the timpani and the triangle, these are 3 beats long. 1, 2, 3. If we click to the next one with these devils or whatever they are, we've got 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we click along to the last one, these demons are 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what you'll notice is that within each beat would be a tar or a crotchet beat. Within that, we've got 2 tate or quaver beats. So we've got a beat here, and we've got a note here. So this is 1 beat, but I can have 2 notes as part of it. So if I start, I'll just put 1 note on each beat. Now you'll notice that the colour corresponds to this drum here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now if I want this drum to play, I then put a dot there. So now it'll go. Okay, so that is 3 notes on a beat. And if I click on this one, it gives me the triangle. Take that down a bit because it can be a bit shrill, that. So this gives us 3 beats going like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those are 1 note on each beat. What I can do, I can put notes on the te, the half beat as well. So I've got on the beat, and this is the and, the quaver and. So I can do that, which will give me. So you can see how I'm starting to move just from being on the beat to creating rhythm. You'll notice that any of the dots which I've not put a yellow circle or an orange circle or a grey triangle on is quiet. So if I put the triangle here on the and, the quaver, rather than on the beat, it'll mean this will now be quiet. What I'd like you to do is that I'd like you to create a beat. Now, you can use the 3 or the 4 or the 5 beat. What I'd say to you though is avoid using the 4 beat. A lot of music that we listen to is 4 beats long, and it can be quite predictable. Either use the 3 beat or the 5 beat, which, to be honest, I quite like 5 beats. It's slightly different. So if you do use the 5 beat, beat 1 here and beat 4 here become very important. So I've built up a 5 beat pattern there. What I'd like you to do, build up your pattern and then take a screenshot of your pattern and post that to the class teams. If you're not sure how to do a screenshot, ask your parents to help you, or an older brother and sister, as they should be able to show you what to do. Any problems, post a question onto the class teams, or you can email me at the email address I provide. Good luck and enjoy.